This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. First and foremost, you will need to connect your Samsung phone to the PC or to the computer by using, well, a regular Type-C wire here. Then once it is connected with your computer, you will need to power your phone off, which can be done through launching the power off menu by simultaneously holding the volume down and power keys. Here, let's tap at the power off option twice. Once the smartphone is completely shut down, is fully switched off, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys like that. So firstly, we will need to skip all those charging windows. Once they are skipped, I will be finally able to boot the phone up. Yep, so that's how it should look. Now let go of the power key, but keep holding the volume up key. That's important. And here is your recovery mode. Well, I guess that will be it. The only thing that is left to show is how you can navigate it, and you can do that. You can navigate the options and select options through using the volume rocker, volume up and down keys. And in order to confirm or execute the option that is currently selected, just tap at the volume, or excuse me, at the side power key. So here, in order to exit the recovery mode, all that you gotta do is to select the Reboot System Now option, and here tap at the power key. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.